because you guys know I am a DIY girl, and I would be remiss if I did not show you guys my little DIY concoction. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a quick solution that you can make. I know everyone has been going out trying to get solutions, cleaning products, and it's just been kind of empty at the store depending on where you are, especially in the DMV area. They don't have enough product pretty much. So I wanted to show you guys a quick little DIY solution that you can make at home with just 3 simple ingredients. This is really quick. You guys know I am a DIY girl. If you don't watch my channel, make sure you do so. So the first item you're going to need is a plastic bottle, some water, lemon essential oil, and of course the main ingredient to this cleaning solution DIY concoction, bleach. You actually don't even need any essential oil. You only really need the bleach, the water, and some sort of water bottle to hold the solution in. But if you are like me and you're into essential oils, you can definitely feel free to add your lemon oil. If you have lavender, eucalyptus, whatever you want your solution to smell like, go ahead and put a few drops of that oil in it, and that should help you get a nice scent. This one I got from the dollar store, you guys. You can probably get this from anywhere. I'm pretty sure you can order it off of Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit of bleach. I'm going to take my bleach and I'm going to pour it. Splashless bleach. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of bleach into the container. So as you guys can see, that is my bleach. You don't need more than that because it's really 1 part bleach, like 3-4 parts or 3 parts water. And you're just going to take your water and you're just going to add that to the bleach. All right. And of course, just add a couple drops of the lemon essential oil. And I just put like 6 to 7 drops, however many you want to do. All right, you guys, and just mix it up. Oh my God, that smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. You can't even smell the bleach. Once you add the lemon essential oil, the smell of the bleach is virtually gone. That smells amazing, you guys. So yeah, for those of you that cannot find Lysol, Clorox wipes, anything, as long as you got bleach, you got some water, and you got you a little essential oil, you'll be a-okay. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I hope you Huns enjoyed this video. Until the next one, you know what to do. Stay blessed.